Building a tiny brick house is an exciting construction project that shows how a structure can grow step by step from the ground up. The full build process begins with careful planning and preparation. Even though the house is small, every stage of construction must be completed accurately. The first step is selecting a suitable location for the tiny brick house. The ground should be stable and level to support the structure. Builders start by clearing the construction area. Grass, stones, and debris are removed from the site. A clean and level workspace makes the building process easier. After preparing the area, the layout of the house is marked. Measuring tools help ensure the layout is accurate. Builders use wooden stakes and strings to outline the house shape. This step is known as setting out the building. Once the layout is complete, the foundation work begins. A shallow trench is dug along the marked outline. The trench will hold the foundation base. The bottom of the trench is leveled carefully. A strong base ensures the stability of the structure. Gravel may be added to improve drainage. Builders prepare a concrete mixture. The mixture includes cement, sand, gravel, and water. These materials are mixed thoroughly to form concrete. The concrete is poured into the trench. Builders spread and level the concrete carefully. This layer becomes the foundation footing. The concrete must be left to cure and harden. Once the foundation is ready, bricklaying begins. Small bricks are used to build the walls of the house. Cement mortar is applied between the bricks. The first row of bricks is placed carefully on the foundation. Builders check the alignment using a level tool. Straight rows create a strong and balanced structure. The second row of bricks is placed in a staggered pattern. This pattern increases the strength of the wall. Mortar bonds the bricks together firmly. Bricklaying continues row by row. The walls slowly begin to